What's up, guys? This is my honest review of my cordless DeWalt Jigsaw. I personally love this thing. Now, a little background on me. I'm a general contractor. I do remodels for a living. My wife is a designer and a DIY enthusiast. We both love this thing. I actually bought this in addition to my corded Jigsaw. The cordless is just amazing because you don't have to have the cord, you don't have to have power. All you have to do is grab your battery, stick it in there, take this anywhere you want. Portable, easy to use. You've got this great textured rubberized grip here. It's amazing. There's a trigger lock. This button here, push that and the trigger will not work. Keep it safe. You've got a little bevel control. Pull this little lever and you can twist that, make it any angle you want for any type of cut. You can even change your speed control, slow it way down or go really fast. I would probably never go below about a 3 or a 4 myself, but I personally love this thing. You just, like I said, the batteries are interchangeable. They all work on DeWalt tools. Put it in there, away you go. You've got a little LED light to help light your way. I love this thing. I'm never going back. You should get one too.